Hey man!
Watch out! It's a woodpecker from space! Didn't know the reason why. Still dark inside, but get a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. By the time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. It was a funny-looking bird, and he stood right before my eyes. With his waist shoot and a laser gun, he was